What's that?
It's a Nerf gun. And
It's a Nerf gun, and it is...
Triceratops.
What do you call this Nerf gun?
Dino
Squad! Whoa, whoa, that's nice, Enzo.
Look at Triceratops.
Look at the battle Triceratops. Oh, look at the horn.
And look what happened to this horn.
Yeah,
It
the
broke.
other one is broken and the other one is sharp, I think, because of the battle. Look, you have 12 bullets.
What the?
Whoa!
And look at the eyes. It's
Look
so
at the
fierce.
eyes. It's so fierce.
Dino Squad.
Whoa, Nerf Dino Squad Triceratops.
Where's the bullets?
It's inside.
Somewhere there.
Yes.
Maybe it's this one.
Oh yeah, let's see at the back.
Oh my
Whoa,
god.
look at that, Enzo.
What the?
Look at that.
So many bullets.
So many bullets.
You put the bullets there and you open like the mouth and it.
Oh
put the bullets inside
yeah,
and you-
look, it opened up, and that's where the bullets are.
And look, there's a T-Rex also.
Oh yeah,
And-
Stego Smash handgun and Rex Rampage rifle. Whoa,
It's a rifle.
It's a rifle. Triceratops Blast. Is it
Oh,
nice?
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa, do you like it?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Wait, I know how to shoot.
Woohoo!
First, you put the bullets and you pull this and you press this and it to shoot.
All right. Say goodbye.
Bye, guys.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Ah!